Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and yeah, this is a beautiful day. I welcome you to today's video. We are doing laundry as usual on this channel. Every Friday I post laundry. If I didn't post laundry, forgive me, life happened, but every Friday I prepare it for posting laundry. So yeah, let me just greet you. Let me just greet you and appreciate you guys. Thank you for being on my channel. Thank you for the support. Everyone that are sharing my videos, thank you for that. Also, you guys are amazing and making a difference to my channel. God bless you. For those who are new, my name is Elizabeth, and please, if you like this kind of content, do go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because it's amazing in here. We love cleaning, we love doing homemaking, grocery hauls and all that. So guys, I am sorting out the laundry. Before all these clips there, I was just showing you, before I leave my house, I make sure that I collect all the dirty clothes. Make sure I make my bed if everyone is up, and if they're not up, I will just leave it like that. And trust me, I'm going to find it like that without being made, because they just assume now I want to make videos. I'm tired of making videos of laying my bed. Yeah, so I make sure that, yeah, every dirty clothes is in the laundry basket, just like that. So guys, I started training my waist. This thing of me going to the gym, I don't like it. No, I don't want to stress myself. So I'm doing a waist trainer and reducing starch so that my stomach can reduce a bit. It's not easy to reduce the food that you like, but I am just trying. I am trying. And so far, at the time of recording this video, I am on 1.5 weeks, and there's a huge difference. I told you guys, I know my body. If I eat a lot, it goes up like a balloon, and if I eat less, and the stomach reduces just like that. And you saw me wearing it, and now I'm still wearing it. I stay with it for the whole day. I even go to work wearing it. And like, the advantage of me wearing it during the day at work is just that my workplace is different. I am the only lady here with 2 guys. We are a team of 3 people. No up and down people gossiping about you, saying this and that. Okay, they will make jokes about me, saying, what are you doing? But guys, trust me, I am so grateful of where I'm working. I'm the only lady there. I'm the only employee, and with the bosses, just like that. So I hope you're still enjoying the video. I hope you started sorting out your laundry. I have started with my bright colors. I can't say white because it's a mix there. And in the meantime, while this is happening and the machine is rolling, let's go outside. Guys, my mom has got trees. Has got 2 avocado trees and some apple trees, some grapes, guavas and all that. And believe me, this one tree here has got a lot and lot of apples. I can tell you that this year I am going to sell to you guys the avocados. I'm so happy, and I am so ready that waiting for them to get ready to be eaten. I can't wait, because this is the second year it's doing the avos. Last year they were there, but there were few because it was for the first time. So this year there were so many. Even the guavas, it like it amazed us. Some other years there were just a few guavas here and there, but this year there were so many that they are even falling and getting spoiled so quickly. So guys, we are having beautiful trees behind the house of my mother, and even the pomegranate and the peaches, they are so nice. So guys, back to the laundry, and we are going to take out the laundry from the machine to go and rinse it. about to finish. The load was about to be finishing, and I was hungry at the same time. Guys, when I go to do my laundry, I don't eat from my place. Normally, when I arrive there, I arrive and eat because I go there at around 9 o'clock due to load shedding. But that day, there was no load shedding thanks to the shutdown from the other political parties, so we didn't experience any load shedding from that weekend. And yeah, I went there very early. Even the people there were still sleeping, so there was no time for me to tell them, hey, can't I lead you? Yeah, just like that, because I always demand food when I arrive there. Yeah, I didn't eat, and yeah, I had to go home and cook for my family. And suddenly I'm wearing a belt. Why did I wear a belt though? Like I'm wearing a belt, guys. I didn't come with a belt, but now I'm wearing a belt. I just don't know. I can't remember why am I putting it. Or maybe I wanted to go with it to my place. So I'm wearing it so that I don't forget it. Because even the last time I wanted to take my gym mat, my yoga mat, but I forgot it. So yeah, now I remember I was wearing this belt because I didn't want to forget it. It's time to go home. I'm packing my things to the car and going home to hang in my laundry. It was still very early, around 9 o'clock, when I was finishing with my whole load of laundry. From there, drove straight to my house to hang in the laundry. You guys, if you're still here, you are amazing, and thank you for being here until this time of the video. It means you are liking it. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, if you're new to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and I am so glad that you chose to click on this video. Thank you for the support to those who are returning and those who are feeling at home. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate your time and everything. Thank you so much. Let's hang the laundry and finish off the rest of the day. And later on, I folded the laundry. If you haven't seen the previous video, that's where I had folded the laundry on. So you go back and watch the video that I was folding the laundry there, and you guys, I was even sharing with you that I was nearly scammed of my money. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, bye.